Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Finally, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series are only a week away from Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event, where the company is tipped to announce the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, among other devices. In the meantime, two leakers have revealed prices, memory configurations and connectivity options for the trio, as have full specification sheets. One of the leakers has also offered a look at the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in its book cover keyboard case. Pricing for the Galaxy Tab S8 series has leaked, along with nearly a dozen images showcasing the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in its book cover keyboard case. Additionally, Roland Quant has revealed French specification sheets for the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Similarly, pricing for the Galaxy Tab S8 series has leaked previously. However, complete pricing for the series has not emerged until now. For some reason, Tech Insider Blog and Quant differ in their estimations, which we have seemingly, both have taken these prices from retailers that have posted listings early. It is worth stressing that Quant has a better reputation in this regard. Tech Insider Blog has published multiple Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra renders with its book cover keyboard case. Handily, Samsung has integrated a slot for the tablet's S Pen that should prevent it from falling out when you are carrying the tablet around. By contrast, neither Apple nor Microsoft have created an equivalent stylus holder with their tablet cases. Some people may not be fans of the hump that protrudes from the case's back. Samsung has included a kickstand too, necessary for a 14.6-inch tablet. The case looks thin as well, although the total carry weight could be on the high side for an Android tablet. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will debut on February 9th alongside the Galaxy Tab S8 and the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Galaxy S22 series should join Samsung's new tablets at an extended Galaxy Unpacked event. The base and Plus models will both be $50 more expensive than their predecessor, the Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus, introduced in mid-2020. The Ultra model has no predecessor. This will be the largest and most advanced Android tablet Samsung has ever released. It will also be the only model with a notch for the camera, which is necessary because the device has relatively narrow screen edges. All three models are equipped with the same processor and the same software. It concerns the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and the Android 12 operating system combined with the One UI for user interface. The dual camera on the back is also identical. A 13MP wide-angle camera and a 6MP ultra-wide-angle camera are used for this. In addition, the trio will support 45W wired charging. The Samsung Tab S8 tablets come standard with an S Pen, but there is some difference. The stylus pen of the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 Ultra are characterized by extra low latency. This makes writing with the S Pen feel even more natural. This is a 2.8 milliseconds delay, instead of 9 milliseconds for the S Pen that comes with the base model. Well, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.